Hi, mathematicians. Welcome back to Math Workshop. Today, we are going to start a little project. We're going to take a little pause on the Unit 3, and we're going to focus on helping our friend Muffles out with his truffle shop. This is still going to involve some math. So here are some key things you might want to write down somewhere for you to refer to so you remember what we'll be using. Repeated addition, skip counting, groups of, array are the new words that we're going to be saying today. So, Muffles, Truffles, shop. In this story that you should have read in the read aloud, is also attached at the end of these slides in case you did not read the read aloud yet. But Muffles has a truffle shop. They are very popular. He gets lots of orders. They're the best truffles in town. So there is such high demand, as you read in the story, that he needs a little assistance. He gets an assistant who helps him, and they start packaging their truffles. We are learning to build those open arrays to make the packages to help Muffles out. We're going to be using rows and columns to show those groups of 10 that Muffles uses. Once again, here are some keywords and key pictures that you'll need to be familiar with. So Muffles is excited about making assortments to fill the high demand of orders for his truffles. He packages his truffles in groups. One truffle fits in one square. How many truffles would this box hold, which is his box that he likes to use? This is how it looks. This is also called an array. Here is a video that you can watch to help you understand what an array is. It's set up with rows and columns.
Welcome to Planet Array.
Sorry, not today. All right, so Muffle packages his truffles in groups of 10. Okay, Muffles will be able to hold 10 truffles in his 2 by 5 box. Where did I get 2 times 5 from? There are 2 rows of 5. Rows go across, columns go down. In each column, there are 2, but there are 2 rows. So there are 5 in each row as we're looking across. First row has 5, second row has 5. That equals 10. This is the same as repeated addition of 5 plus 5 that we see here, 5 plus 5, or 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is here, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. They both equal 10. This is the array 2 times 5, 2 rows of 5. What if a customer wants a total of 22 truffles? How many boxes will Muffles need? How many are left over? All right, so I know that one of his boxes, which has 2 rows of 5, equals 10. That's one group of 10. So I know that one box, when I have my 2 by 5 box, is going to give me 10. I need to get to 22. I know there are 2 10s inside of 22. So that means I'm going to make 2 boxes, 2 by 5 boxes, that will give me 10 each. So now I have 2 groups of 10. That's only 20 so far. So the 2 ones will be those single truffles that Muffles will have left over after making this order of 22 truffles. So I'll go through those steps again. I know that I'm using the 2 by 5 box or array. In my 2 by 5, 2 rows of 5, I know that gives me 10. One box is one group of 10. Another box gave me another group of 10. Two 10s being the same as 20, I only need two single truffles to get to 22. These are two arrays that show 10 with two singles left over, two remainder. All right, now you try. You can work with a partner or a family member if you would like to. How many boxes would Muffles need for an order of 44? How many will he have left over? Remember to use the array that Muffle uses, 2 by 5 array, 2 rows of 5. It holds a group of 10. You can pause the video, take time to work out how many boxes Muffles will need. All right, welcome back. How did it go? What did you come up with? Okay, you should have come up with 4 boxes of 10 or 4 groups of 10 with 4 singles remaining or left over. So that was a box of 10, 2 box of 10, 3 box of 10, 4 box of 10. You made 4 arrays of 2 by 5, and you saw that you had 4 left over. When we think of arrays, we think of rows and columns, which is the same as groups of. All numbers have groups of numbers inside of them. Right now, we are working with groups of 10. We will use groups of to show the assortments of truffles Muffles makes for his customers. So let's really get familiar with this and get comfortable with using this array. We're going to be using it to show lots of other numbers for how many boxes he'll need for other assortments. So right now, your next steps are to go and complete the Make Your Assortments Google Slides that are attached to this assignment or lesson. You're going to show how to make assortments for different numbers that are listed in the slides. You can insert a table from the toolbar. You can draw your array as long as you're showing 2 rows of 5. You do not have to draw truffles in each. That might be a little difficult to do. As long as you're showing the boxes with the rows, 2 rows, and 5 columns. I've also attached the Muffles Truffles story here for you to read through in case you did not already read through it already. And here's where we get the background of he's opening the shop and they're so delicious. Everyone comes. So enjoy that story. And now we're helping Muffles, our friend. We're helping him make these truffles to fill all of these different orders that he has. All right, mathematicians. I look forward to seeing how you make your assortments and your Make Your Assortment Google Slides. Make sure to turn it in after you complete all the slides in that assignment. See you next time. Bye, mathematicians.